morning, YouTube. Welcome to fall in Montana. It's gonna be kind of hard to show you, but you can see the peaks over there. We're starting to get some snow. We're expecting snow overnight. Put some stable in the GMC. We're gonna let it run and come up to operating temp, and then it's gonna be parked for the winter. Because we're expecting snow, the crew cab's due for an oil change. Also going to convert the incandescent fog lights in the bumper to LEDs, 600 watt Napa brand LED fog lights, and we're going to tie them into the factory fog light switch. And like I said, it's due for an oil change. Plus I got a couple bolts on the bumper that keep popping loose, and the bumper drops down, so we're going to change that today too. Update on the brakes: I've changed master cylinder, left front caliper, right rear caliper. Still got a really soft brake pedal. It stops and all the brakes are working, but it's just a soft pedal, so I'll have to change the other two calipers and go from there. So let's get cracking on getting this stuff done, and we can put everything away before it gets cold and snowy. All right, we are under the truck. Drain plug's here. It's a 15 millimeter. And yes, it does look like I got some oil leaks, so we're gonna pop that loose. Oh man, that's tight. And we're gonna go slow so we don't drench the camera. Yes, I have driven it, warm it up. I went to the dump and then moved my boat out back, so it is warm. Never change your oil cold, because then you don't get the contaminants out of it. This is going to be hot. Oh, and we got the camera. Woohoo! That shot a lot farther than I was expecting. And the oil filter is right next to the drain on this, so we'll get a tool and pop that off too while we're waiting for that to drain. So I have one of these adjustable, we got a mess all over, adjustable spanners, so when you tighten it up it goes tight. So that's what we're going to use. Let that drain down for a minute. And I made a huge mess on the floor. Good thing I got some kitty litter. It's warm. It's definitely warm. Put that plug back in. It only needs to be snug. It doesn't have to be over tight. Alright, so what I have is 6 quarts of the SuperTech Walmart brand high mileage 530, which it requires 6 quarts, and I am not scared of the Walmart brand oil. Most of the Walmart oils are made by big name brand companies, just repackaged and sold cheaper. So what I will not buy is a Walmart oil filter, a Fram filter. So I went and got an AC Delco PF46E. I already pre-filled it, put a little bit around the rim and screwed it on. I don't think you needed to see that. So we'll drop in the 6 quarts of oil, and then we'll move on to the fog lights, which here's what I got. And I'll get back to you in a bit. Alright, well, there it is. Bumper's leveled out. Fog lights are installed. We've got new hardware on the bumper for lock nuts and washers. It's wired into the factory fog light switch. So oil change is done. I don't see any leaks. We got good oil pressure, so I'd say she's done. It's a successful project. You guys have a good weekend, and if we get any snow tonight or tomorrow, I'll throw that in the video just to show you.